Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Madurai location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for DTP operator for the organization Usha Jagannath Law Series. Job location is Madurai Reserve Lines, Tamil Nadu. And you can see work location is Mahatma Gandhi Nagar, Madurai. And you should have a knowledge of Tamil and English, like you should be able to do DTP operation in Tamil and English, and should have a basic computer knowledge as well, and should have a knowledge of pacemaker and CorelDRAW, that is added advantage. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9944939308. Next, there is a job openings for fresher positions for the job roles Angular developer, React Native developer, UI developer, PHP developer. Salary will be given as per company norms. Job location will be Madurai, Tamil Nadu. And only freshers are eligible for the job role. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum qualification is BE, MCA, BCA, BSc, Information Technology and Computer Science background. Preferable region of candidates is Madurai and nearby cities. Job location will be Madurai only. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9361832765. Next, there is a job openings for trainer position to handle the tools like Maya, 3ds Max, Blender, Nuke, VFX and ZBrush. For the organization Arena Animation, job location is Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 15,000 a month. You should have a experience in either production or in training of listed softwares. These softwares, so prior training will be given to the candidates on request. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994166800. Next, there is job openings for hospital pharmacist for the organization Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited. Job location is Madurai. Salary offered minimum 11,000 to up to 16,000 a month. And you should be able to dispensing stock audit and a reminder call to customers and follow-ups. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9941590000. Next, there is a job openings for Apollo Hospitals. They are looking for nurse associate position. Job location is Madurai, Tamil Nadu. You can go through the responsibilities for all nurse associate. Detailed information available. To apply for this job, you have to browse the official careers page of the Apollo Hospitals, that is https://www.apollohospitals.com/corporate/careers. If you browse the provided address, you can get to know detailed information and other details as well, and you can see the apply button there. You can apply for the job, and you can also get to know if there are any other openings for the Madurai location. Next, there is a job openings for staff nurse for the organization Sumati Hospital. Job location is Madurai. You should have a knowledge of NICU, dialysis, OP, IP, ward, IVF. Talented staff are required. Based on this, salary will be given. So based upon your experience and skill set, salary will be offered. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8643023872. Next, there is job openings for registered nurse for the organization Apollo Hospitals. Job location is Madurai. You can go through the responsibilities for the registered nurse. Detailed information available. And to apply for this job, you have to browse the official careers web page of the Apollo Hospitals, that is https://www.apollohospitals.com/corporate/careers. And you can also get to know more detailed information, experience details for this job role, and also you can get to know what are the other job openings available for Madurai location. Next, there is job opening for resident position for the Apollo Hospitals. You can check with the other details here. Job location will be KK Nagar, Madurai Lakeview Road. And to apply for this job, you have to browse the official career web page of the Apollo Hospitals, that is https://www.apollohospitals.com/corporate/careers. And you can also get to know if there are any other openings for Madurai location. You can get detailed information there, and you can also apply for the job. Next, there is a job openings for sales officer for the organization Professional Copier Services India Private Limited. Job location is Madurai. Salary offered minimum 12,000 a month. And they are looking for a leading printer company. Responsibilities and duties like you should visit the customer place and generate sales and promote the products. You can connect on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9344746001. Next, there is job openings for staff nurse for Ahna Hospitals located in KK Nagar, Madurai. Minimum qualification is BSc or DGNM. Freshers and experienced both are eligible for the job role, and job timings will be rotational. Department is ward. Number of vacancies available is 5. Official website of the Ahana Hospitals is www.ahanahospitals.in. You can contact on the given phone number between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and that is mandatory. You have to only contact between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. to get to know more information and details. That is 8667251091. Next, there is a job openings for staff nurse for the organization MS Chelamuthu Trust and Research Foundation. So they are looking for staff nurse position. Salary details are not disclosed. Job location is Madurai. If you see the responsibilities, you should facilitate the visit of medical officer or psychiatrist and assist them during the review. You should prepare the medicine indent based on the prescription and with the approval of the project leader. Collect the required medicines and keep the medical register updated. You should ensure that the residents take medicines as advised. You should maintain of registers and files such as medicine indent, medical officers visits, trainees medical case file, etc. You should monitor the key health parameters of each resident and record the same in the prescribed format. You should supervise the hygienic status of the trainees, nail cutting, ear cleaning, dandruff and lice removing, and regular monitoring of body mass index, BP, weight and sugar level in the respective trainees. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, that is 8754006750. Next, there is job vacancies for sales executive for the organization Vijayadaya Retailers. For the job location is Madurai City. Freshers also eligible for the job role and minimum 2 years of experience also will be considered. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6379050647. Next, there is a job vacancy for staff nurse for Velamal Medical College Hospital and Research Institute located in Madurai. Salary offered minimum 12,500 a month. You should observe and record patient behavior. You should perform physical examinations and diagnostic tests. You should collect patient health history. You should counsel and educate patients and their families on treatment plans. And you should administer medication, change wound dressings and care of other treatment options. You should read and interpret patient information, making treatment decisions when appropriate. You should consult with supervisors and doctors to decide on the best treatment plan for the patients. You should direct and supervise nurses, nurse assistants and nurse aides. You should research ways to improve healthcare process and improve patient outcomes. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, that is 9600352211. Next, there is a vacancy for junior assistant doctor for Velamal Medical College Hospital and Research Institute. Salary offered up to 40,000 a month. You can go through the details here, like what are the job responsibilities, detailed information available. You can go through it. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, that is 9966843380. Next, there is a job vacancy for field sales executive for the organization Satyam Bio Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 18,000 a month. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum qualification is any degree or diploma. Preference will be given for agriculture stream. Should you have a two-wheeler, that is mandatory. Freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8012580670. Next, there is job vacancy for physician assistant for Apollo hospitals. To apply for this job, you have to browse the provided website address link, that is official careers page of Apollo hospitals. You can also get to know where if there are any other openings, suitable openings for you at the provided website address. Next, there is a job vacancy for general housekeeping executive for VFort management. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 11,000 a month. You should be able to work in shift timings. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9384728944.
So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.